What's up, YouTube? It's been a minute since I made a video for you guys. So real quick before we get started, I want to remind you I'm not a certified investment professional. I am not a financial advisor. This is not investment advice. I'm just another trader who's educated himself, and I want to pass that knowledge on to you guys. I want to help new traders get started and avoid making those costly mistakes that new traders often make. So I want to hit 1,000 subscribers on this channel. So if you're liking these videos even just a little bit, if you find these videos useful or educational, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. It's going to help the channel grow, and it's going to help these videos reach more people. So, how to find stocks before they blow up? How do I know which companies to buy? How do I know which stocks to buy? These are questions I get asked all the time. And it's going to be different from person to person. Two people could have the exact same goal. However, their circumstances and their situations are different. Therefore, the routes they take to meet those goals are going to be much different from one another. So, something to keep in mind. But nevertheless, this is one more tool to add to your trading toolbox. Any tools you can add to your trading toolbox, it's just going to make you that much better, more educated of a trader. So today, how to find stocks before they blow up. We're going to use the website finviz.com. That's FINVIZ.com. And I will put a link to that down in the description, as well as a link to the Facebook page. If you haven't already checked it out yet, check it out, follow it, so that you can get notified on future content. There's also a group in there for new investors where I will post educational videos from time to time. So let's get started. Head over to finviz.com and I'll show you how to find companies that haven't yet blown up. Finviz.com, here we are. So at the top, you will see the screener tab. I want you to click on that. In the middle, towards the top, we have 4 tabs. Select all. All we're doing here is entering a few parameters, for the search criteria that's going to land us on a list of stocks that have yet to blow up, that have the potential to blow up. These are not guaranteed to be winning stocks. These are not guaranteed to make money, and I'm not recommending that you buy these companies. However, this is going to be a tool for you short-term day traders to throw in your toolbox. This could be a valuable tool. No matter what type of trader you are, no matter how much experience you have, this is a great website, and I definitely recommend it. It's an awesome website. So first parameter we want to throw in there is price. Select under $15. Next we have 50-day simple moving average. Select price above SMA 50. Next to that we have 200-day simple moving average. Select price above SMA 200. Next we have current volume. Select over 200K. Next is float. Select under 50 million. And last but not least is going to be relative volume. Select over 3. So that last one there, relative volume. Up until just about a week and a half ago, I hadn't really focused on day trading or the super short-term trading. And since I started watching these videos, on day trading, I've come across this term relative volume quite a bit. And I've come to realize that's a very important component to the short-term trades. Remember, to the new guys, there's a difference between investors and traders. Investors are throwing in their money into companies that have a good chance of long-term success, that provide stable, reliable growth over time. Short-term traders aren't so worried about the long-term success of a company. They're more worried about the short-term action, the short-term price movements. And this relative volume is going to have a big part in that short-term activity. So if you don't understand what these parameters mean, the simple moving averages, the relative volume, current volume, float, things like that, you're really going to want to look into that. It's one thing to be able to come up with this list of stocks, but to understand why you're seeing these particular companies based on these parameters, it's important you know how you got here. So look those up if you don't understand what they mean. So we have 35 companies here. Acer Therapeutics, HOFV, Hall of Fame Resorts and Entertainment Company. That's actually one that I had found on Sunday and planned to play Monday morning, first thing. I woke up late, but I was still able to get in early, made a nice profit, and I would consider it a successful day trade. Really happy about that. Leaf Group, that's another one I had my eye on. I haven't really got to check out many of these other companies here. Although on page 2, we have support.com, SPRT. That one was the killer today. So if you didn't know about that company before and you had entered this search criteria this morning, you would have seen that company in this list. And support.com at one point today hit 350%, which is insane. That's phenomenal for one day. That is absolutely insane. I think it finished off the day at like 230 something percent, give or take. I don't remember exactly, but it was insane. So again, these are not guaranteed to be winning stocks. However, this is the search criteria for stocks before they blow up. I came across this video on YouTube, and I'd use this website for searching for long-term growth stocks and things like that. Any type of certain stock I needed to find, I could find it on here using this screener tool. It's an amazing tool. It's going to help you out in the long run. But again, if you don't know what these different things mean, all these different filters here, it's not going to do you much good. So you want to step your game up, look up each one of these terms here: dividend yield, quick ratio, net profit margin. Get a solid understanding of what these things mean, and then you'll really be able to put this thing to use. So if you find this video useful, please hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for future content. If you haven't yet, head over to Facebook. There is a group within the Facebook page for brand new traders, brand new investors who are looking to learn more. In that group, I post educational content. I plan on making another group in the very near future for stock options. I'm going to go over all the different strategies and when to apply them. So, with that being said, please hit that subscribe button, share the video, and until next time, keep making those boss moves, baby.